Yep. Oi, that's better. Oh, sound is paying off, boy. Holy shit. All right. Wow, first cast. Oh. Oh. What are we in? 11 meters. Oh. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Yes, brother. First kingy on the sounder. Oh, there's heaps here, bro. Off you go. It hasn't woken up yet. Oi. Oh, yeah. 15 meters. I think it's another rat. Yeah. Can still pull though. It's a little fella. Little large. That's what that looks like. Yep. Yep. Ready? Man, for little fish, they go hard.
Round in circles. The bonnie!
Oh yes! The bonnies are here! Yes!
Sick!
The bonnies!
I've been after.
Fuck
Oh,
yes!
Bonnie!
Oh!
No way!
Yes, bro.
Wow!
Yes!
Sick! Oh man, we've been waiting for the bonnies forever.
Yep. Oh. Big hits. Yep. Oi, that's better. That could be alright. Maybe not. Yeah. Oi, that feels alright. We'll see. Nah, it's coming up too easy. Healing. This could be better. Yeah. Oh. It's reasonable, it's not legal though. How good's that? Frothing on this little session. Absolutely frothing. The sounder is like, I can't even believe how much of a game changer it is. Just knowing that there's something there instead of just pot luck. Like, look at that. Oh, fucking hell, that was aggressive, eh? Oi! You get hit? I was looking at yours and then I was like, oh! This thing's psycho! Yeah.